Hey everyone, I just want to make a real quick point here. When you're doing your T accounts, especially in this chapter, or really any chapter, when you're working through these entries, make sure that you're not guessing. I think another big mistake I see students make when they're working through entries like this is they fall into the trap of just kind of trying to figure it out, and then they end up kind of just guessing where the debits and credits land. I mean, I probably shouldn't need to tell you that this is just a really, really bad approach. It's gonna more often than not result in you getting it wrong. You've got to practice enough with this stuff to where you feel somewhat secure that you have it right. I'm not saying you have to do it fast or that you're always going to be 100% certain, but if you feel like you're just kind of guessing at what the answer is, more than likely you're probably getting it wrong. So slow yourself down. If you don't know the answer to it, if you're not feeling confident about where those debits and credits go, you may need to go backtrack back to the chapter, reread, go back through the examples, and make sure that you're certain before you actually proceed to put those debits and credits in the right places on your T accounts. All right?